Check out this cordless buffer polisher that was recently gifted to me. It does have a 2000 milliamp hour battery that it comes with. It actually comes with two, which is really nice. 2000 milliamp hours is going to give you a lot of time out there. It does come with a second battery so you can keep going. You can have one charging while you're out there working, which is really nice. And these attach just like any power tool. Depress that and it's going to slide off. Take it, pop it back on, and then you are good to go again. It has one backing pad that it comes with, and it does come with a tool here as well, a little wrench that you can fit in there to spin off the backing pad if you do need to replace it. You're gonna get 3 of these wave pads. This one right here is a little used, but this is our regular little backing pad, and it's just gonna attach with the little Velcro adhesive there on the back. And we also have some of these wool bonnets, some microfiber ones, a microfiber towel. And let me show you one little thing of how to charge these batteries, because it is a little bit different if you're used to power tools and you have your charger, you slide these on to charge them. This is our charger, and then our little DC port is right there. So we're just gonna plug that in there, and then we can plug it into the wall, and there we go. We are charging. Comes with one pair of some black nitrile gloves, and it comes with apron, and then it does come with a bag, which is really nice to pack everything away to store it. Overall, super impressed. I really like it. I noticed that using it for a long period of time, it does not overheat. And the vibration, if you've used buffers, polishers, and stuff before, you know, some of them, they're gonna vibrate your hand so much that you just can't stand it anymore. It obviously does have some vibration, but it's nothing that's gonna give you significant fatigue over time. So overall, it's very easy to use, especially for a long period of time. Overall, I am very happy with it. I will definitely be putting it to use. I love all the accessories that it comes with. I love that it comes with 2 batteries so that I can have one charging while I'm working. So if you are looking for a cordless buffer polisher, I would definitely go check this one out. I am definitely enjoying it, and it's working really well for me.